Morning all. Here in dear old Blighty, we appear to have gone from full summer to a cold morning in October now. It's about 11 degrees, but there's a cold north wind. Sorry about the state of my garage, by the way. I'm replacing my shed, so I haven't got a shed, so everything that's normally in the shed is in my garage at the moment. 140cc, that's bigger than the first two of my motorbikes, which were a 50cc moped and a 125. Until I got a 250 and almost killed myself. God, that was 40 years ago. This is the remnants of my episode that I had at the weekend with my gravel bike. Pretty broken rear mech there. Twisted chain, look at that link there, can you see that? It's totally screwed. Also, I bent this part on my rear mech, but fortunately I've got an extensive collection of previously broken rear mechs, and I took that off another one and replaced. Today I'm off to Balfe Bikes in Sutton on the really used Swift. Haven't used that since July in the French Alps. Just going to go and pick up a replacement one of these. I've lost track of what I'm recording and what I'm not, but going through Non-Such Park at the moment, and definitely signs of autumn here. Look, conker trees have conquered. This is the back of the old school there, left there 40 years ago. Jesus Christ. And this is Manor Park, the scene of some great football matches and even more epic snowball fights. It seemed to snow a lot in the 1980s. And there's the front of the old school, looking a bit more like the 130 years that it is, or whatever it is now. I was just a mere boy when I walked through there, 11 years old. Still had rosy cheeks and brown hair. And here we are, Balfe Bikes in Sutton, which is of course the old Pearson's, famous Pearson shop, oldest bike shop in existence in the world, I think, which has now moved to Sheen for some reason, probably more cyclists over there. But yeah, let's go and see what they got. Okay, I'm back. That's pretty good, isn't it? That must be like that. Looks like it's done. I could have picked up a chain at Balfe, but there was a cheap one online, so I went for that, but that's not going to come here till tomorrow, so over and out.